From horseless carriages and early flying machines to walking on the moon, the scientist and the engineer have accomplished remarkable feats in the last 100 years. Inventions that were once science fiction have become staples of society. However, despite mankind's unprecedented rate of technological progress, there are still people around the world whose basic needs are not being met. Today there are over 500 million people who don't have access to clean drinking water. In Zimbabwe, contaminated drinking water is at the root of an endemic cholera outbreak. But the problem isn't confined to developing nations. Recent years have seen severe droughts in the US and in Europe. Renewable groundwater supplies are being depleted, and hurricanes and tsunamis have left severe water shortages in their wakes. It's time for us to take a step back and look at the bigger picture, to focus on the essence of engineering, the practical application of science in the service of humanity. Let us concentrate on the basic human needs, specifically the need for clean water. Why is water so important? Not only do we need drinking water to survive, but we must also water our crops and livestock. We need water for hygiene, keeping our bodies clean and disease-free. As the world's population grows and global demand for food rises, so will the need for water. How can these demands be met? We must start by planning now. We must shed our nationalistic ways of thinking, and in true form to the modern era, meet the challenge as a united Earth. We have the technology. The challenge is to implement it. It's not a small challenge, but it's an engineer's challenge. Our plan is simple. Access to clean water will be achieved by a dedicated effort to get into the world's poorest regions. We envision small teams of engineers traveling to location and working with local labor to build community water supply systems. This will provide a motivated workforce working towards a better future for themselves and their families. Sustainability must be addressed on a broader stage. We must focus on practical research and experimentation. Industry will have to work together with government and academia to combine market incentives, policy incentives, and innovative research to promote the sustainable use of our most undervalued resource.